Alright guys,
Hey,
Phil and Dave back here again.
I'm Dave, that's Phil.
We
You knew that.
last time, as you know, we got everything disconnected. Right now there should be no bolts, no nuts, no nothing holding the engine in.
That's a lie.
So we got the engine crane out and ready. We'll pull the hood back off and we're going to attempt to pull the engine out of the car. Hopefully we don't fail again. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Enough thinking, more doing.
I'm gonna bring the camera down just for a quick look, see where things are at down there. So yeah, this is we got going on down here. So there's the drive shaft, rear half, front half. Managed to move transmission bracket from, where is it? Yeah, right about here all the way up to there so far. Oh, it's pinched on the transmission linkage too between the transmission mount and the body. Okay. It might come forward still, but it's pinched a little. And honestly, I
think once we get this power steering line off, it's going to lose a considerable amount more.
And we don't need to get the drive shaft out of the way, right?
No, that'll come with it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's what we're working on next. Get some clearance around the steering area. Ugh. Before this weather goes south, this weather that's not supposed to be happening according to technology, which always works. All right, so we're gonna get a little more clearance here. Bill is working on
Transmission mount. Disconnecting from the transmission.
oh, so it's got, yeah, it's on some rubber and it sure wants to just play around.
So this is binding up a little bit. And there's one wire that I'm pretty sure goes to air ride sensor on the driver's side that we're having a difficult time figuring out how to remove, but we'll figure that out here in a second.
If I recall right, that one off the engine though, it goes two places between the engine and the body. But, let's get back to that in a second. Bars on your right, hip.
I need Wesley pipes. That's a half-baked reference.
Yeah, this guy right here goes up into the engine. Has that wire split off, or wire. That's wire. That's not hose.
I'm gonna lower it down just a little bit. Watch it. Just to loosen up a little bit. There we go.
Yeah. So either we find out how to disconnect both of these in the engine, or, well, Yeah, the one main part, it's all about getting this guy, and it's impossible to see where it runs to. It might go through the body.
Hello!
Hi, well, we made it. This is the proof. We don't really know what happened between the last video where we're really just working on it like chipmunks, the time lapse, and all of a sudden it's gone, but we did it.
Yeah,
We did it.
the last GoPro died about 3/4 of the way through, but either way, we got everything out. One thing to remember if you do this at home is you're either gonna have to take off your exhaust from your exhaust manifold back, so your cat's, everything from the cat's back has to come off, or you have to take off your exhaust headers. It will not come off with all that attached, just there's not enough room. We fought with that for a long time.
Yeah, driver's side cat was hitting the steering column, and that was not fun.
But beyond that, we got it out. So now that it's out, I can start cleaning up the engine bay. The next step that I'm going to do within the engine bay is clean up the wiring and start taking out the ABS. I'm going to replace it with non-ABS. And I might actually remove the brake booster altogether. We'll have to see. But I think you stopped by to help today. You've been a big help.
Good helping.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more chaos to come.